All right, so I went out this weekend and on Facebook Marketplace, I found a settee and a chair and an ottoman. And they're so cute. And I really was looking for something for my living room that I needed, but I don't think they're really gonna work in my living room, except that then I had this great idea to turn my dining room back into a living room. And that's what I'm gonna do. So you remember how I decorated this all cute for Easter, and we had a lovely Easter dinner in here. So first thing I'm gonna do is just clean out the things in this room that aren't going to work. So this carpeting definitely has to go. I have to survey the room where I can put everything. This is a little tricky because we're not going to move that, and I don't want the couch in front of the window because it'll get faded and it will also block half the light. And there are two big windows, so basically I either stick it in the middle of the floor or I stick it in that corner. So I went out to buy a chair for the living room, and now look at the living room. It's terrible. I don't have hardly anything in here, and it's a sad little room. It's such a sad little room. The dogs don't even want to be in here now. Now look at my tabard. Oh my goodness. All right, but let's go see what I did in the dining room. So this is the little bench that never really made it outside except for my one photo shoot. And those are two pillows on there. Yeah, they're white. And yeah, you don't see a lot of white and primitive. Everything is more black and tan. But they were the pillows I had, and they have a nice weave. I picked them up at Target a couple years ago, put them on a bed, and I think they're beautiful. And they'll make that comfortable seating, pretty much. So I took the plates out that I had for Easter, and I put my little cloches in there with a little basic collection of some of my antique ancestors. This one is very utilitarian with a whole bunch of pewter candles, and then down here my typewriter. Now this stuff is more decidedly vintage than primitive. But hey, why not? It's your house. Do what you want. Next to it is one of my primitive pictures that I made. Cute, right? And over here is my old lady with the book. She was in the kitchen, but I decided she needed to be here. Now, right now I have the witch in the corner, and you guys are probably like, it is not Halloween. That is dumb, and maybe it is. But I like Brunhilde. I like the outfit she's wearing. I didn't have a lot to put in this corner and things were looking a little bit sparse. So she was looking at me and she was ready for a move. This is a cabinet that Tom made. I don't like the color of the stain. This is something we did way back in 1991. And I am going to paint it. It's probably going to get painted black one of these days when I get around to it. Then we grabbed all of this from the living room. The rug, the table, and the basket. We grabbed that little end table from a bedroom. That lamp was in here. We could really use another lamp or two in here. Okay, here's another option if you're really bothered by those white pillows because they look wrong to you. I don't get bothered by things like that. I like what I like. But if you're bothered, you can always cover them with a blanket, make it more cushy to sit on, and put a couple more pillows on there. And you have something that almost looks upholstered. At least it looks more comfortable. So that's another idea. And you can also just throw something over your spinning wheel and make you think about weaving a little more. So.